We have news at 6:45, but what I see right now, we took the liquidity on the upside and then now we took it on the downside. We do have this bearish fair value gap, but we also have these equal highs. So I'm thinking that we go back there. So we just grabbed this liquidity down here and I'm thinking we're gonna push up. Okay, so I'm placing a buy limit here on this 5-minute fair value gap that broke this structure. I am concerned that it's equal highs, so it's not technically a high. But we are bouncing from this 1-hour fair value gap. It's not looking that good there, especially since this is... I'm just a little concerned we're not coming back up, that we're just bouncing from the midpoint. Okay, so we just got tapped in here. I don't have my full size on just because I didn't sort of like the way that we're coming down, where we got rejected from this 5-minute bearish fair value gap there. And then this one, this darker one, is the 1-hour fair value gap. I basically took this entry within this 15-minute fair value gap, but there were equal lows right below me. So that's something that I try not to do, taking an entry in a fair value gap with equal lows below. So we just took out that 4-hour fair value gap, and then this is the new week opening gap, which maybe will come down to here. Now, I'm glad at least we're getting a little bit of movement now with the last day of the year. Okay, we tapped into the new week opening gap in lunch, and then we pushed up. Okay, so I'm sort of seeing this breaker setup. Made a low, made a lower low, and then pushed back up. And I see that we're sort of pushing back in here. And then I also noticed that while we went lower on ES, it made a higher low on NQ. So it does look like we're bouncing from this breaker here, which is why this did not get tapped into. I should have entered on this one here. Looks like we have these equal lows down here that NQ may be targeting. Okay, so we just took the high here. ES did it a while back. I'm entering on that little volume imbalance we're in right now. So I want to see us take out these equal lows and just come down. And I'm just going to move my stop. It is 12:40. I think I need to just exit this trade. Okay, and then I just moved my stop there because it's sort of coming back. 12 minutes left in the session. I just moved my stop down. I'm just gonna do a really tight stop. All right, and we're stopped out. Not too bad. Ended 100 down on the day, half an hour. I was really just trying to get something. I just wanted a trade to end out the year, but you know, trading at these times is not the best. So yeah, I'm happy with all the trades that I've took on this new 150k combine, and since I started documenting, I feel like I'm gaining experience, forward testing my strategy, sticking to my rules, and just learning as I go. Main goal is to stay consistent and disciplined, and I think I'm achieving that. That concludes the trading year of 2023, and here's to a full year trading 2024. I'm gonna start live streaming January 2nd, so hopefully I'll see you guys there. I'm very excited, and I wish you all a great new year, and see you in 2024.